Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today the road brings me to Las Vegas, Nevada, and I am here on the Las Vegas Strip. We are going to take a look around. We're going to go in some of the hotels and see just what's here. And you get to come with me and we'll get started right after this station identification. Hotel in the entrance, so we're going to go inside and see if we can find anything interesting inside. This is the lobby of Treasure Island. Of course, a Treasure Island theme. But look at this motorcycle. Sirens. This is the Wynn Esplende Casino. Let's go inside and check it out. There's a stage where something goes on. Here is their casino. All bar. This is the secret garden, and here shortly we are going to see some dolphins.
8.5 feet. Everything you're going to see in this training session is either follow those dolphins' natural behavior or just an extension of it. For example, those really cool jumps.
There is a spotted leopard. Look at this tiger. He is low in that water.
He's agitated about something.
Huh?
I said he's agitated.
Yeah.
About something.
Why don't you just get us? What's going on?
There you go. Come on, do it again. Do it again. One more time. Come on. Look at that cat. Bum, 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 bum. That thing is huge. Here is the Outback with a giant Coke bottle in front next to Marshall's. in New York. New York is got a roller coaster as well as the bridge, and those buildings behind it kind of look like a New York skyline. There's a Statue of Liberty down below. There's more of the New York. And of course, a Big Apple. This is inside the New York Hotel and Casino. Lots of neon lights, buildings. Give you the feel of walking down a New York street. I would not have a clue since I've never been to New York, the city anyway. Where all these buildings look like is basically a food court and little shops. Pretty cool. Smells good anyway. It's called Excalibur. But that is crazy. Medieval looking. A fairy tale. There's a Sword in the Stone bar. I would love to explore this place a little more, but I am very limited on time. Oh look, superheroes and a transformer. Look at him. He's huge. Look, there's Spider-Man. Look at this sign. The sign's a bit of a show. Hold on. Wow. It looks like magic. It kind of makes its way and it morphs into something else. Watch it. It's coming. Wow. How cool is that? Hey, Wayne Newton. He's at the Flamingo. Oh, wow. Check this out. This is called Paris. Here's the Bellagio across the street. But right now, we're going to go in the Eiffel Tower. Hoping the air conditioning's on. Oh wow. Legs from the Eiffel Tower. They come down right through the sky. Here is the registration for Paris. Streets of Paris. If they put casinos out on the main street. Vegas in September, be prepared. It's hot. It was over 100 degrees a day. They told us that it's a different 100 degrees than what it is in the Carolinas. Don't believe that stuff. 100 degrees is hot. Any way you slice it, dice it, fix it, or mix it, it's hot. Anything everything that you do in Vegas is not cheap. The air is secondhand. In Paris, there are locks that goes on a bridge, and here is a wall full of locks commemorating that bridge. I have purchased our tickets to go up the Eiffel Tower, hoping we get a nice view. It's not cheap. $27.50 a piece. Wow. Hell's Kitchen. That is the check-in at Caesar's Palace. We're gonna walk through it just a little bit. These entertainers. There's a bald-headed Elvis, or no, that's Evel Knievel. And here's some celebrities over there. There's Elvis, the showgirls.
You wait to redeem what you earn. Use your card during our player payback slot and
Some Mirage. Caesar's Palace is up ahead. Here's Harrah's. And there's McDonald's. I'm gonna draw this out. This McDonald's on the Las Vegas Strip is really unique. Here are some showgirls and a half. Or at least I'm gonna assume they're showgirls. There is the purple zebra daiquiri bar, but check out the purple palm tree. There's Caesar's Palace and the Flamingo. Okay, I don't even know if this is showing up, but we are at the Strat and it's fixing to get real. We are going up in the Strat Skypod Tower. Just to give you some perspective, Statue of Liberty is 305 feet. The Space Needle, 605. Sydney Tower, 1001. Eiffel Tower, 1063. Tokyo Tower, 1092. The Macau Tower, 1109. But the Strat Skypod Tower, 1149 feet, and we are going up. Okay, 1149 feet, but that's to the top of the tower. We are in the stratosphere, and you can look right there. There's a helicopter. That's how high up we are. But look at Las Vegas. Here's the airport. And that's got to be the Las Vegas Strip right there. All right, look way in the distance there. There's a storm brewing back on the other side of the airport. It's moving out. And around they go. 1,100 feet in the sky. It's gonna get more insane. Over 1,100 feet in the air. And these people paid to do this. Turning her GoPro on. Okay, look. One, oh man.
Oh my gosh.
Check this ride out. Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. I'm here tonight at the Cheraw. We are going to see a show, Illuminate. These guys were on America's Got Talent and they are freaking awesome. We've got a few clips we're going to show you, and hopefully here in a little bit we'll get to meet some in person.
Confidence.
These are the guys that we're going to see the show tonight. They're going in the theater now. Video. Hey y'all, Illuminate with Carolina Tony. Y'all be sure to go to Carolina Tony. Check me out. Hey, check out Illuminate. Illuminate! Well, that is going to do it for our trip to the top of the world at the Strat. Way up there. That's pretty cool. You really get a good view. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.